Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Gora. I'm Mia.
And I'm Lucas. Hey, everyone.
You know what? Today is special
Why special?
because we're going to unlock something. Something hidden.
Ooh, mysterious. What is it?
It's a tiny word, just 4 letters, but it has massive power.
Wait, let me guess. Is it will?
Exactly. The word will.
But Mia, everyone knows will, right?
They think they know it, but do they really?
Interesting point.
Here's the truth. Most learners use will wrong. They freeze. They overthink.
Yeah, I've seen that. People pause for like 5 seconds before saying will.
Exactly, and that's the problem.
So today, we're fixing that.
Yes, today you'll discover the real secrets of will.
Secrets that textbooks don't teach you.
Secrets that native speakers use every single day.
And by the end, you'll sound natural, confident, real.
So are you ready?
Let's dive in.
But first, quick question for you watching right now.
Yeah, pause and think.
When was the last time you used will today?
Did you say it or did you avoid it?
Drop your answer in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to Talk Gora.
Because we make English easy, fun, and real.
All right, let's start.
Okay, Lucas, let me ask you something strange.
Go ahead.
What is will really?
It's about future, right?
That's what everyone says, but is it really just future?
I'm curious now.
Let me blow your mind. Will is not about future.
Wait, what? Then what is it about?
It's about now.
Now? But that doesn't make sense.
Listen carefully. Will is your brain right now deciding about later.
Oh, so it's a present decision about future action.
Exactly. You got it.
So when I say I will eat, I'm deciding now.
Yes, the decision happens in this exact moment.
Wow, that's a game changer.
Here's another secret. Will has 4 hidden powers.
4 powers? Tell me.
Power number 1, instant decisions.
Like when something happens and you react immediately.
Exactly. Oh, it's raining. I'll take an umbrella.
No planning, just reaction.
Power number 2, promises.
I will call you tomorrow.
Yes, strong, serious, trustworthy.
Power number 3?
Offers, when you want to help someone.
I'll help you with that.
Perfect. And power number 4, simple future facts.
Tomorrow will be Monday.
Exactly. No emotion, just fact.
So will is like a Swiss Army knife.
Perfect comparison. One word, many uses.
But how do we know which meaning?
That's the beauty. Context tells you.
Context is everything.
Always. And native speakers don't think about it.
They just feel it naturally.
And soon, you will too.
All right, Mia, let's talk about the structure.
Yes, the magic formula.
Because many learners get confused here.
Ready? Here it is. Subject plus will plus base verb.
That's it?
That's it. Super simple.
Let me try. I will go.
Perfect. Notice something.
The verb doesn't change.
Exactly. No goes, no went, no going.
Just the base form, always.
She will eat. They will sleep. We will learn.
Same pattern every time.
Now here's where learners make mistakes.
Uh-oh, what mistake?
They say, I will to go.
Ah, adding extra to.
Yes, never add to after will.
So it's I will go, not I will to go.
Exactly right.
What about negative sentences?
Good question. Add not after will.
I will not go.
Perfect. And we shorten it to won't.
I won't go. Much faster.
And native speakers love contractions.
They make English sound smooth and natural.
I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, we'll, they'll.
All super common in real conversations.
Now questions. How do we make questions?
Switch the order.
Yes, will comes first. Will you go?
Will she eat? Will they come?
Perfect examples.
See, everyone? It's actually simple.
No complicated grammar, just patterns.
And the more you use it, the easier it gets.
Like riding a bike.
Exactly.
Okay, story time.
Oh, I love this part.
Imagine you're at home, relaxing.
Nice. I'm imagining it.
Suddenly, your phone rings. It's your friend.
Hey, what's up?
Your friend says, I'm stuck. My car broke down.
Oh no, emergency situation.
What do you say? Think fast.
Don't worry, I'll come pick you up.
Perfect! Did you plan that sentence?
No, it just came out.
That's instant decision will.
Right now, deciding to help.
Here's another scenario. You're at work.
Okay, I'm at work.
Your boss gives you a task. Can you finish this by Friday?
And I say, yes, I'll finish it by Friday.
Beautiful. That's a promise will.
You're committing to something.
Exactly. Strong and clear.
One more scenario?
Sure. You're with your friend. They're carrying heavy bags.
They look tired.
What's the natural thing to say?
Hey, I'll carry one for you.
Perfect offer. Kind and helpful.
And it uses will naturally.
See how native speakers do this?
They don't think, they just speak.
And that's your goal too.
Stop thinking, start speaking.
Now let's talk about something confusing.
Will versus going to?
Yes, many learners stress about this.
When do we use which one?
Here's the secret. Will is for spontaneous decisions,
Things you decide right now.
but going to is for plans you made before.
Things you already decided earlier.
For example, I'm hungry. I'll eat something.
Spontaneous, you just decided.
But I'm going to eat at that new restaurant tonight.
You planned that earlier.
Exactly. Feel the difference?
Will is fresh. Going to is planned.
Perfect way to put it.
But honestly, in conversation, natives mix them.
True, context makes it clear.
So don't stress too much.
Just use what feels natural.
And you'll sound great either way.
All right, everyone, speaking time.
This is where the magic happens.
Will give you situations. You respond with will.
Ready? Let's go.
Situation 1. Your friend says, I forgot my lunch.
What do you say? 3, 2, 1.
I'll share mine with you.
Perfect. Or I'll buy you something.
Both work beautifully.
Situation 2. Your mom calls. Can you come home early?
Your response? 3, 2, 1.
Yes, I'll come home early.
Great promise.
Situation 3. You see someone drop their keys.
What do you do? 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, I'll get that for you.
Perfect helpful offer.
Now let's do rapid fire.
I'll say a situation. You finish with will.
Everyone, say it out loud. Ready?
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow will be sunny, or tomorrow will be fun.
I think
I think I'll study English, or I think I'll go for a walk.
my friend.
My friend will call me later, or my friend will help me.
Excellent practice, everyone.
Now here's a challenge.
Create 3 sentences using will.
Write them in the comments below.
We'll read them and give you feedback.
This is how you improve fast.
Practice, practice, practice.
Now, real conversation practice.
We'll show you how natives actually talk.
Listen to the flow, the rhythm.
Ready? Scene. 2 friends planning weekend. Hey, Lucas, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll visit my parents.
Oh, nice. Will you drive or take the train?
I'll probably drive. It's faster.
Good idea. I'll stay home and relax.
Sounds good. Will you watch movies?
Yeah, I'll watch some Netflix and I'll order pizza.
Perfect weekend. I'll call you on Sunday.
Great. I'll wait for your call.
Did everyone hear that?
We used will naturally many times.
No stress, no overthinking.
Just smooth conversation.
Let's do one more. Scene, helping a friend.
Lucas, I have so much work today.
Really? What do you need to do?
I have to clean, cook, and study.
Don't worry, I'll help you clean.
Really? That's so kind.
Of course, and I'll help you study too.
Thank you. I'll cook dinner for both of us.
Perfect. What will you cook?
I'll make pasta, your favorite.
Amazing. I'll bring dessert.
Great, this will be fun.
See how natural that was?
Will appeared everywhere.
But it didn't feel forced.
That's real English.
Wow, what a journey.
We covered so much today.
Let's recap quickly.
Will is about decisions happening now.
It has 4 main powers.
Instant decisions, promises, offers, and simple future.
The formula is super simple.
Subject plus will plus base verb. That's it.
No complicated rules.
Just practice and confidence.
Remember, native speakers don't think about grammar.
They just speak naturally.
And now you can too.
Here's your homework.
Every day this week, use will 3 times.
Talk to yourself, talk to friends.
Write sentences. Say them out loud.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
And here's a secret.
Making mistakes is okay.
Actually, mistakes help you learn faster.
So don't be afraid to speak.
Just speak. Have fun with it.
Before we go, quick reminder.
Subscribe to Talk Gora.
We post new lessons every week.
Real English, simple English, practical English.
And leave a comment below.
Tell us, what will you do after watching this video?
Use will in your answer.
We read every comment.
And we reply to many of them.
Also, hit that like button.
It helps us create more content for you.
Share this with friends who are learning English.
Help them learn too.
All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for watching.
Keep practicing, keep improving.
And remember,
English is easy when you make it natural.
see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.